Hello friends, I am back with another healthy recipe, air fried beetroot cutlet, no deep fry.
हेलो हेलो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो ना अच्छा लगे तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और अच्छा लगे तो इसे डिसलाइक कीजिए और जितना हो सके इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
This is the final look of the air fried cutlets. Believe me, they are just too yummy. I am totally in love with the color of beetroots and their taste, and believe me, it's just too yummy. These are the ingredients basically boiled beetroot, carrot, peas, potato, few masalas, peanuts, poha, and cornflakes. We'll also need 2 toasted bread slices for making the breadcrumbs. All the measurements and detailed ingredients will be mentioned in the description box. We will also be needing corn flour and a little bit of oil, so let's begin. First we'll heat a kadai, and once the wok is hot we'll pour in around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and a little bit of sauf or fennel seeds in it and the peanuts. Once the peanuts are roasted, we'll start adding other ingredients. So once the peanuts are almost done, we will add the remaining fennel seeds and grated ginger and saute it a little bit. Once it is sauteed, we will start adding the boiled and grated beetroots and the carrot. Since they will take time to cook, so we'll first add these two ingredients and cook them a little bit. After which we'll add the peanuts and then at last the boiled potatoes, smashed boiled potatoes. Once the beetroot and carrot is nicely sorted, we'll add in the peas and all the masalas. Details are there in the description box. So we'll add all these masalas and mix everything well. We'll add the coriander also here because I like the taste of coriander a little when it is cooked a little rather than absolutely raw. So we'll add the coriander also, mix everything and then add the smashed boiled potatoes. Once the potatoes are added, we'll have to keep roasting it well so that potatoes get cooked and give a nice taste. At last, when our masala is almost done, we will just add the soaked poha. It is just for binding. The soaked poha is used mainly for binding so that the vegetable mixture retains it, does not retain the moisture and retains its texture or the shape when we mold it into cutlets. Once the mixture is cooked, we'll just pour it off in a bowl and let it cool for an hour. Now we'll shape this mixture into shape of cutlets. This is how it will look once we have given the shape. This is corn flour mix, just corn flour and water. This is dry corn flour. This is breadcrumbs, the one that I made by toasting 2 pieces of bread, and this is cornflakes. I just crushed it with my hands, the normal cornflakes which we eat for breakfast, and this one is the cutlets. First of all, we'll roll all the cutlets into dry corn flour powder and just shake off the excess corn flour. Once all these are ready, then we'll dip them in the wet corn flour mixture. There are 2 ways of doing it. Once the dry corn flour mix is ready, once the cutlets are coated in dry corn flour mix, one method is one layering and the other one is double layering. In one layering, you'll dip the cutlets in wet corn flour mix and then coat it with either the breadcrumbs or the cornflakes mix that we have made, the crushed cornflakes. And in the double coating method, we'll again after dipping in the wet corn flour mix, we'll again put it in the dry corn flour mix and again in the wet corn flour mix and then the final coating of breadcrumbs or the cornflakes. So here my batch is getting ready. I preferred the breadcrumbs ones and my son preferred the cornflakes. Reheat your air fryer at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and then just in a mesh basket just put in all the coated cutlets and air fry them for 10 minutes at this temperature. After 10 minutes, take out the cutlets and just flip them to the other side and cook at 200 degrees centigrade for another 10 minutes. And once this 10 minute is over, I would suggest again just shuffle it and cook it for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. So it is basically, I have told you thrice to air fry them. These cutlets are equally yummy as the deep fried one, and I tell you, you must try this recipe, otherwise you will miss something. Take my words for this. Tada! These yummy air fried cutlets are ready to eat. These cutlets are equally yummy as the street ones. Just try these ones. And one last urge, stay home, see my channel, like and subscribe and share.